Ooh.
That one is so boss, dude.
That one's so, hold on. Oh, you can't see it. Swag. These aren't as boss as the other ones.
The ones that light up. They're still pretty boss. Yeah, still. I like that fire though. That Firebird. You should go for that black. That black. You got a ticket? Yeah.
Oh, look at this one.
Yeah, dude, that's awesome.
Landing up.
Look at the black and purple one.
You like that?
Oh, I'm gonna put. Oh, hold on. Which one am I gonna vote for?
Dude, I don't know, dude. That's hard to say.
It's either this one or the one with the thing coming
That
up.
red one. Oh my god. Look at that tires.
Ooh.
Ooh, and this one has helmets with that.
Jorge, which one are you gonna? Why are you gonna vote for this one?
Why you voting for that one?
Look at it.
Where'd you get your black one?
Oh yeah, let's go vote for that black one. This boss. Hey, we're voting for this one, huh?
I don't see too red.
This one's swag, dude. This one, I love it.
Go vote for yours.
This one's amazing.
I'm gonna vote for it.
It's amazing, dude.
Dude, things so
Alright.
all over here like oh my god.
I feel like I'm in the 80s, you guys. Ah, that hurt.
Hello there, how you doing? See what's going on, man?
This one's amazing, dude.
Check this out. There's a bunch. Look, there's a face here.
Oh, that's bro. I wonder if you can see that. Oh, you can.
You can't see it.
And look, Buffalo. There's.
How long have y'all been
that's
here?
raw.
There's something right there.
No, it's not.
Buffalo here, jumping sleeping right there.
It's a fish.
Is this yours?
I can't find the fifth one though.
That's a fish. Oh, it's on your trees.
I guess not. But that was
Should be something around. Flash some over here. That's a face.
we light out first. See the face down over there. That's one. There's four more things that are hidden.
Oh, is that the eagle right there?
Oh, I see it. The eagle's
Yeah.
face. And the beak and the eyes. And
Yeah.
That's it.
There
That's
it
the
is.
fifth one.
Swag.